Hello everyone, my name is Siping Li, and the topic of my research is improve a deception game by making the AI more human-like. The game requires the player to play against an AI with an objective to create a connected chain of red blocks between any two anchors. The player should try to block the chain by shutting off a grid position and prevent the AI from connecting anchors. The research question is it possible to find ways of making the game more deceptive by making the AI more human-like? And what is the two-way relationship between human-likeness and deceptiveness? Our main approach of the study is to use different agents to test the effectiveness of different behavior patterns and get feedback from our participants. Based on the article, Can a Robot Deceive Humans by Toledo and Ito, bringing human-like features for the humans to consider the robot as an intentional entity rather than a designed object can make the deception more effective. So the question is, what are the human-like features that we can utilize in the design of our AI to make it more deceptive? There are three major findings. The first one is unpredictable. The opponent should perform some unexpected behaviors which are different from participants' predictions, similar to the strategy used by Wagner and Arkin in their study, which makes the robot seem to be clumsy and stupid at first, and at a certain point suddenly change its behavior patterns and make it seem to be quick and clever. We can use a combination of different behavior patterns rather than sticking to a single behavior pattern until the end. The second one is responsive. The opponent should be able to react to participants' movements. Based on the feedback from participants, participants are more likely to believe they are playing against real human players if they feel the process is interactive. The third one is imperfect. The opponent should sometimes make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural human trait. In addition, mistakes can be considered as a typical kind of unexpected behaviors. By implementing mistakes, participants are more likely to believe they are playing against real human players. There are also some limitations of our study. Many participants seem to be unsure about their selections for human players, and they express the feeling of getting forced to make selections because they are told that there exists at least one human player. Some of the features of our game are not working well due to design issues. For example, sometimes players lose focus and they ignore those features completely. There are not sufficient agents available for use. This causes many issues, including that if two similar agents appear successively, participants easily sense their similarity and realize that these two are AI players rather than human players. For the future work part, there are still several agents planned which are not developed. By implementing agents with more different behavior patterns, our results would be more convincing because the four agents used for our test are similar to each other, which makes it hard to convince our participants that there exist human players. More agents can also eliminate the problem of random order, causing inaccurate test results. In addition, we can explore what can happen if we change the game rules, such as allowing to connect blocks diagonally. We can observe whether the complexity of the game rules have any effect on the results of the test.